Hello guys, today we'll be showing you guys how to make edible slime or real slime with one ingredient, just gum. So all you're going to need is to take out a couple of, all you're going to need is your gum. You need 1, 2, 3 gums. And you're going to want to just take them out. So I have to do it with one hand. And then you're just going to want to feed it. Just feed it. So basically it's gum. And then you're just going to want to put it in hot water. So yeah, it's like a fluffy stuff. So excuse me. Okay, I'll come back whenever I'm done putting it in. I'm done taking out all the pieces of gum and I'm done putting them in hot water. I'll see you then. Alright, I'm all done. Here it is. It's like a varnish gum. So yeah, hope you like this video. Bye bye. Love you so much. Please like and subscribe. Bye.